Are you tired of chasing prospects who never call back? You're not alone. Most MSPs struggle with prospecting. The outreach feels awkward, the scripts fall flat, and the conversations go nowhere. But that ends now. See, you don't need better leads. You need a better process. One that consistently opens doors, fills your calendar, and turns conversations into new agreements. Because the truth is, most MSPs aren't losing deals because of bad prospects. They're losing them because of bad prospecting. That's why we've built From Prospect to Close, a 3-day hands-on workshop designed specifically for MSPs who want to master prospecting once and for all. You'll spend 3 days with Chartech's sales experts inside our multi-million-dollar MSP, learning exactly how to plan, fill, and close your pipeline. On day 1, you'll learn how to forecast with precision and map your funnel like a pro. On day 2, you're going to craft outreach scripts that get responses, not rejections. And on day 3, you'll learn to close with confidence using discovery and presentation frameworks that are proven to convert. No theory, no recycled sales fluff, just real-world repetition, live role play, and feedback from people who've built 7-figure recurring revenue systems and still run them today. This isn't another sit and take notes kind of seminar. You're going to practice live, you're going to refine your tone, and you're going to walk away with a repeatable system you can use the very next day. Plus, Chartech's exclusive MSP sales playbook for 2026. And because seats are intentionally capped for personalization and coaching with the live role play, once we're full, we're full. So if you've ever said, we just need more leads, stop chasing and start converting. Join From Prospect to Close, the only workshop built inside a real operating MSP, and walk out ready to turn those conversations into new agreements. Seats are extremely limited and they're going to go fast. So don't wait. Register now, secure your spot before they're gone.